What's everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. My name is Alan. This is Driven Daily. If you haven't already, smash the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel and hit that like button if you guys enjoyed today's video. Today we are on our way to the Friday night car meet. I was gonna go to Lowe's this week, but I don't have the money for the gas. Travel all the way there this week. This week ain't payday, so next week is payday, so maybe we'll try and make it out next week. So today we'll go to the local car meet here and yeah, get some cool footage in. And it's a beautiful day in the Comox Valley here, so we're gonna head down and yeah, see you guys in a couple minutes when we get down there. This should be a good vlog for today, so peace. Alright guys, we're going for a little cruise here, I guess. Pretty small meet, but yeah, I guess we're all going for the old cruise. Cruising here. Alright guys, what's going on? We're just cruising here.
80 kilometers per hour.
In the Dodge Charger. I don't know why my focus is over there. It should be right in the middle. There we go. It's getting dark, so I don't know how long I can do this for, but we'll see. Don't forget guys, this meet is every Friday night at about 7 o'clock. We usually start rolling out at 7:15, 7:30ish. Depending on how big of a scene that we get, we usually, you know, have it. So let's do a poll here guys. Roll down my windows, maybe the rear windows a little bit. Baby. Ooh. Ooh. Hear that Hemi roar, man. That is nice. That mid-muffler delete is just what these things need, man. It is crispy. Tell ya, that sound is amazing. When you actually hear it, it is loud. Alright guys, so we're just leaving the meet now. So guys, I'm going to end the video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the quick edit of the courtenay meet on Friday nights. every night at about 7 o'clock. People roll out at 7:15 for the cruise. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to smash that like button if you guys enjoyed it. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you guys want to see more content just like this and of the Dodge Charger, of course. And tap the little notification bell so you guys know when my videos are live. And I'll see you guys on the next video.